Otherwise, it would have been nothing to do. I was gonna pull, like I said, I was gonna pull if I had to get around there, because like I know what it's gonna be late. That would have been good. That would not have been good. Yes, we did. Yes, we did. محمد اخر بعد نص ساعه تاني
iya क्या रही है
उसने खर्च को दे है तो
भाई कैसे आ रहे हो
हेलो ये तो चलो इधर से इधर इधर इधर
इधर से चल देंगे
सलाम और वो करता